Lego. Today I'm going to be building a Lego set inside a bag. It's a Lego challenge called Build in Bag, and it's the Lego Club TV that gave me the idea. And so it's basically that you build a Lego set inside a bag. So what I'm going to use is a Ziploc bag, and this is the Lego set that I'm going to use. It's just a small Lego racers. And I've got the instruction booklet right here, of course. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to do today, and so now I'm going to start unbuilding it. And so now I'm going to put all the Lego blocks in my Ziploc bag right here. So let's start building. So I'm just going to end this video with my comments and reactions. So I guess it was interesting. You can't get frustrated easily because it's very easy to get frustrated, so you can't let yourself get frustrated over it. Because like sometimes you'll put a piece together and the bag gets stuck between both pieces. And so yeah, it can be very frustrating, but it was actually fun. I enjoyed doing it, but I don't think I would do it with a bigger set because just like little pieces like the headlights here, as you saw when I was doing it, it was very hard because they're small pieces. And if like my car piece is over here and the small piece here, I gotta push it to get it here. So yeah, it was a very interesting experience. I'm glad I did it. It was fun, and I suggest you try it. So yeah, thanks for watching.